Hi, ma'am, sir. I'm Jovelyn Pacorsa. I'm 31 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. My 2 sons is 13 years old and 3 years old. My daughter is 11 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have experience in Singapore, but I'm not finished my contract because of the COVID-19, so that my employer is sent me home. I'm stay in Singapore in 9 months, but I have a experience here in Philippines as a babysitter. I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes if the baby is sleeping. But the most important is the newborn baby boy and her brother 2 years old. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I'm happy person and hardworking and honest and trustworthy. Thank you so much.